Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Okay, let's see the stats for today's sales on our Shopify store. Here you can see today we made 14,000.4 K USD dollars for today, and yesterday our store made $7,491. And this week we made through Shopify Dropshipping 29.87K, means $29,000 in sales. And for this month, so far 27th of July, we made 120.72K. It means 1,20,000 dollars through Shopify Dropshipping store development. So if you guys are also interested in learning Shopify Dropshipping, then go to our YouTube and learn free Shopify store development tutorials having 300 plus videos. Thank you. Bye bye.